My interest in entrepreneurship literally started when I was born because my parents are both small business owners. So I think that has always been ingrained in me and created a foundation for my spirit in general. I work at L'Oreal. I'm on the global marketing team for CeraVe. My role was kind of engaging with those videos first, responding back to them on TikTok, on all different social channels, and making opportunities for different viral moments. So with social media always changing, I think the key thing is always taking part in social listening on a daily basis, always seeing like what the next kind of campaign that went out is, what are people saying today online, what articles are going out. I just really do that on a routinely basis, and I'm trying to get as much involved as possible and just really focusing on those social insights. I was really interested in drawing IE because of the entrepreneurial background that the college has, that the startup kind of experience and foundation that the university promotes. All of my academic experiences really helped me in general all throughout my career. When I was at IE, I had always had different opportunities to do internships. So I was already getting hands-on experience from bigger startup scale-ups when I was still in university. And I was really always focused on building out my professional profile. And I think there was a lot of resources at IE that allowed me to do that. And also having an international perspective, now I'm on a global team. You have to definitely be more creative, more entrepreneurial, and also have the ability to work with people, you know, in the UK, in France, etc. And I definitely feel like just being in a class full of people from all over definitely gave me that foundation. For my typical routine, I start my work job at 9. Usually I have a lot of different tasks I have to do for the week, different projects, different decks that I'm working on, different social listening I'm doing about, or different campaigns that we're planning for. Afterwards, I usually go home. Sometimes I have different clients for my business. I actually have like 2 businesses. The first one is a business of doing this kind of thing that's more of a trend. It's a beauty trend. It's called tooth gems and also teeth whitening. The second one, I throw events. They're known as the Jersey Creators Market. It's this 2-day streetwear kind of festival in Jersey City that nothing like that exists currently in New Jersey. And I think that for anybody who's starting out and wants to create their own small business or a startup, I would say really just focusing on doing it as soon as possible. I think oftentimes you think about a cool concept and you are waiting for a good timing, but the best timing is really like today.